Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure monitoring system of a Citroen Cactus. It's a 2015 model. You have to change to get rid of this sign over here. After changing the tires or flat tire, repairing the tires, this sign will show up, and it reminds you of any failure of any tire or pressure loss over tire. And I'm going to show you how you can reset that for yourself. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. This, we're going to use the multimedia center over here. The ignition must be turned on. Once you're here, you have to press this button over here. It's touchscreen. Then square button over here, and as you can see, the tire pressure indicator here. It asks you if you want to reset the tire pressure. Yes, I'm going to reset it, and once you have done that, it says it has been reset and registered again. Once you have done that, the indicator over here, this indicator will disappear, so it won't show up again. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Any questions? Use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.